connection. I'm Commander Melissa, and this is
Commander Jennifer.
And we are so happy to be with you today. Many of our connections will be about space, but today, our first connection is all about strength, tension, and spaghetti. All right, Commander Jennifer, tell us what we're going to need.
All right, obviously, if we're doing something about spaghetti, you're going to need spaghetti. So you need some spaghetti noodles. You're going to need some kind of materials to make some height. Now, you may not have these containers, so whatever it is you can find, books, papers, whatever it is you can find to get a little bit of height going here.
I think even 2 chairs might work.
Even 2 chairs probably would work. You're going to need a cup. So any kind of cup, as long as you can attach, either we have a pipe cleaner here, or if you don't have a pipe cleaner, maybe some yarn or some string. Just something so that you have something to hang your cup from.
And
so yeah, we poked holes in ours. You may not be able to do that, so you may just have to tape it somehow to get it to attach to that. And it doesn't have to be perfectly straight or level. You can see ours is kind of wobbly. And then you need something for weights. We're going to use marbles. You may not have marbles, so if you've got pennies, you've got quarters, dimes, whatever it is that you have that are about the same size. So you don't want to use quarters and pennies. You want to use one or the other, or marbles. So like this one has this big giant marble. Maybe we ought to
better
take
take
that
that
out.
out. Goodbye, marble.
Yeah. All right. So and then probably some scissors and some tape, and that's about it. That's what you're going to need.
All right, well, let's talk about the science about what we're going to do. 2 words we're going to talk about today that have to do with force. The first one is tension. Tension is a force, and if I pull this rubber band, Commander Jennifer, what's going to happen if I keep pulling?
Ooh, I think it's going to snap.
Okay, I don't want to do that because that might hurt.
Yeah, it might hurt.
But this rubber band, as I give it tension, as I pull and spread it apart, it will snap. Now, I've got this cute little astronaut.
Oh, yeah, I like that.
He's squishy. He's like a stress ball. But if I keep compressing this astronaut, or if I compress things, another force, it will eventually break.
Right.
Okay? It will break down the atoms and everything in it. So, everything has a breaking point. Now, spaghetti. When it's raw, it's really
it's pretty
crunchy.
easy to break this.
Yeah. Whoa,
Yeah.
flying spaghetti. All right, so that spaghetti is held together with chemical bonds.
Oh, okay.
And so we are going to check out what tension and compression will do to the spaghetti. How much can it take? What is the breaking point of spaghetti? All right, so what should we do first?
All right, so first of all, what we're going to be doing is we are going to have to take our spaghetti and attach it here. So you're going to want to make sure that what you have for your 2 things for height aren't too far apart, because if they're too far apart, then your spaghetti won't attach here. So we're going to tape this down on one side or first, that way we can attach our cup. You also want to make sure that you've got it far enough away that your cup, if it does fall, it will fall down to your table or the floor, and it's not going to rest on any of these while you're doing this experiment.
That would be cheating.
That would be cheating, and we don't want to cheat around here, so you want to make sure that you've got it far enough apart.
All right.
So we're going to take this.
Should we go a little closer?
Yeah, we're too close
Too
now.
close? All right. Which tape do you want to use?
Well, we could try that one.
Okay. This tape's a little stronger. Of course, now it's all messed up. So we'll put that one down there. And there you go.
Okay.
Whoop. And this one could probably be a little smaller.
Okay. So I'm going to put my cup on this side.
So this
try to be careful so I don't break the spaghetti before we do the test.
I did that yesterday.
Yeah, we did that.
Marbles. I think they're about, what, 5 grams each?
I would say so.
Yeah. Don't have much mass.
No.
Because when we're talking mass or weight, they're 2 different things.
They are different. Mass and weight are not the same thing.
Weight is gravity pulling down on you,
Yes.
and mass is how much stuff
Yes.
is in something.
So do you think this experiment would be different on the moon?
Oh, sure.
Maybe so.
Because gravity, maybe that's another lesson we could do.
Another whole lesson.
All right. So, Commander Jennifer, do you have a prediction?
I think.
Do you have a prediction?
Yeah. So think of your prediction, and if you don't remember what a prediction is, it's an educated guess basically. So
Yeah.
you want to take what you already know about what we're doing, maybe what you know about spaghetti, what you know about marbles or things that you're trying to put in here, and try to predict what you think is going to happen. So what our goal is we want to put as many marbles in our cup
Until
tension makes our spaghetti break. So my prediction, I think it will hold 10 marbles.
10? I'm looking at it, and I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it already is bending
Bowing
a little bit. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm going to say, I think you stole my answer.
No, you want to go with 10?
Let's do
Got
10.
a team
All right.
prediction there.
Team effort.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to
All
let
right.
you put them in.
Okay. Now, and you don't want to just throw these in here
Nope.
either, because we don't want to have a whole lot of added force, right? So we just want to kind of drop them in there. So
1, 2, 3. Are we bowing more, bending more? 4, 5. Uh-oh, we're getting close. 6, careful. 7, 8. Whoa! Well, guess what? I would say it broke.
I would say it broke, yes.
So that happens in science. Sometimes other things go awry. Variables change.
Exactly.
But I think we did 8.
We did 8.
Hmm.
So was our prediction correct?
No.
No.
But it was pretty close.
That was close.
And
that's okay in science.
if that hadn't come undone. But you know, look at that. Where it broke.
So it broke here.
Yeah.
It broke over here as well. So
Our spaghetti's in like 2 pieces, 3
It is.
pieces. So I think we came pretty close.
I think we did.
All right. So of course 8 marbles would be about 40 grams.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Commander Jennifer, are there ways? Are we done? Or could they do more at home?
Oh no, you could do more. So we could extend this more. So what do you think would happen if we use more strands of spaghetti? So
Maybe 3. They
3?
could do 3.
yeah, so
Start
if you
with 3.
put 3 together, and you could use your tape and tape them on either end so they're together. Okay.
Now we're not going to do this one for you. We want you to do it at home. But we're showing you how to put that spaghetti together. And then you would just go ahead and hook it up the same way.
Mm-hmm. So you
And
would just tape it down like before,
and make a
put it on your
prediction.
cup, make your prediction and
So,
test it.
Commander Jennifer, if that last one held 8
Mm-hmm.
and we have 3 now,
Hmm.
my logical prediction would be 24.
How'd you get that?
I took 3 times 8 because there's 3 pieces of spaghetti, and so you would think it would be 3 times the strength.
You would
But
think so, but
You need to test
you need
that.
to test that out.
Yeah.
And you don't even have to use spaghetti. Maybe you don't have spaghetti at home. Maybe you have like linguine or fettuccine.
I'm getting hungry.
Fancy ones,
Yum.
me too.
Yeah.
So what do you think would happen if we didn't use one of these round pieces of spaghetti? What if we used a flatter piece of noodle? Who knows? You'll have to test that out. We
A
don't have-
lasagna noodle.
A lasagna noodle. What would that do?
That would be funny.
Yeah,
that would
be
be
a good
fun.
test.
Yeah, so definitely try that. Try 5 pieces.
5
of spaghetti.
pieces.
Yeah, and you could get really crazy
Yeah.
and do 10. I don't know that you'd be able to put enough marbles in there, but
Maybe
you try
not.
it.
Try
You've
it
got
out.
all the time, and you try that at home. So we want to make sure, though, that you share your results in the comments section of this video. We want to know what you're doing. We want to know that you're having fun, and we want to know what your results are. All right? So share a picture, a video, or let us know how many items your spaghetti held. So I think we're done.
I think we got this one, yeah.
We want you to tune in Friday
Mhm.
for our second Challenger Connection, where we will be learning about the first lunar landing that happened 50 years ago.
Almost 51.
I know, it's
Oh,
getting there, isn't
yeah.
it? Way before you guys were even born. So this is Commander Melissa.
And Commander Jennifer,
Over and out.